Hello everyone, welcome back to Thursday YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to create a Pokemon, guess the Pokemon game using HTML, CSS and just JavaScript. This is what we will be creating in this video. And don't forget to get the source code, link will be in the description. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like this. And comment down below what is your favorite game. Let's see how it functions. We have this button, it looks like the Pokeball, and when you click start, it starts. So we have here blue, we have a time, and you have 5 out of 2. Now I have done 2, and we have this coffin, piggy, exam. So this was the top. Okay guys, first we are going to create our starting code by pressing shift exclamation tab and linking our CSS, not XAtom, no, we need CSS, enter, and we are going to have a div dot Pokeball, and we are going to enter. Then we are going to have button of start. Okay, and we are going to have some. We are going to create another div. This one is going to have the class of characters. Characters is going to be, guys, we're going to have buttons. How many characters we are going to have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 characters are there. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. We duplicate this one more time to get 16. Okay. So all going to equals. We are going to fix it later, but for now we are going to have a text of now. Just no text. Okay. Start. Yep. So this is it for HTML. Let's get started with the CSS. First of all, guys, I have to mention you. Please subscribe and drop a like and comment down below what is your favorite game that you like to play. I will consider of recreating that game, so please comment down below. So now guys, we are going to have exclamation enter, and we are going to have a margin of 0 and padding is going to be 0, and we are going to have box sizing is going to be border box. Now we are going to have Pokeball dot selector dot Pokeball selector is going to have a position of absolute top of 50, left of 50, transform translate 50 50, and we are going to have a width of 100 pixels and a height of 100 pixels, and we are going to have a box sizing is going to be content box, and we are going to have a box shadow going to be solid, black, 2 pixels. That's all for the Pokeball, and we are going to have some background color, black background color. It's going to be red, and another background color is going to be white. Yeah, that's all here, and we are going to do a button. Okay, so button is going to have a height of 50 pixels, a width of 50 pixels, and we're going to have a margin of 40 pixels, and we are going to have a padding of 30 pixels. Okay guys, and we're going to have a border radius, the radius 10 pixels. Okay, and we're going to have a color is going to be white with the border going to have a solid black one area. So this is for the button. Now guys, they're going to duplicate the button, and we are going to code button after button after is going to be same thing, but it's going to have a transition of 5 seconds. That's all here. Now we are going to copy this again. Now we are going to have before, after, and before. So this one going to be before. Okay, and so I'm going to have a transition of 1 second. And last one is we are going to have the Pokeball. Pokeball is going to have a after, that's going to have before. So transition 4 seconds. Yeah, this is it. Now we are going to go to the before. Yeah, this is done guys. So now we're going to have 1 second. Yeah, this is it for the CSS. Now let's get started with our JavaScript. So far guys, we have created our index.html. What we did is we structured the web page. Now we have done CSS. That means we have styled our CSS, styled our web page. Now let's go see code our functions with JavaScript. Okay guys, now we're going to create a consist file with this actually square brackets. Inside this square bracket we are going to create curly brackets. Inside the curly brackets we are going to have our image. Image is going to have our pictures. So first one is going to be alakazam.jpg. Yep. So we are going to enter and we are going to have name alakazam. Okay. So we are going to copy it. How many we have? We have 13 Pokemon, so we have to copy it 13 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, I have done 12 times. So now we are going to change the name. So Alakazam now going to be Kin. This is going to be Kin. Next we are going to have Ditto, and this is also going to be Ditto. So guys, now we are going to enter. We are going to function it with consist optional enter, and inside that we're going to have ditto, we're going to have Eve, we're going to have all the characters we have. We have what else we have? Process. We're going to have Coffin, we're going to have Mewtwo, Seeking, Teros, Ronan. Yep, that's all here. So now we're going to code the last bit, which is going to be the consist option null to enter ditto, and ditto is going to have a closing tag, and we're going to have a log console dot log equals console log dot blind console. So this is it for the JavaScript for the name and images areas. Now let's get started the script. So script is almost done. We just need to copy the console.log 5 times. Okay, and we're going to have console.log. We have the blind, we have num, then we are going to have character. Next we are going to have button. Next we are going to have view. Yep. Okay guys, now so this is it for the JavaScript. We have styled, we have script, we have done our styling, and we have done our structure. So let's see the final outcome of this video. I hope you guys are excited. Let's right click show preview. As you can see, it looks great. From the UI, it looks great. So now let's see how it looks. That means how it functions. We have start. We are going to click start. We have the Pokeball where we customize it, and we are going to click. Then you have this time, how much time you have left, and how many cards you have done. So let's go Mewtwo, and you have this button. Next, then the time will pause at the time where you clicked it. Okay, so we have exam. So the time you didn't don't press it, it will go to the next image without giving you one last time. So this one is bobble. So when you stop in high times, it goes to the next, and we have Spiro, but it's big 3B. Right? So you can get the source code of this project. Link will be in the description. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I hope to see you all in the next video. And peace.